Ready to unlock a universe of creative possibilities? First up, understanding where your plugins actually live is key, and how you find them depends on the software. Let's start with finding plugins in an Adobe Creative Cloud application. In many Adobe applications, such as Photoshop shown here, you will typically find a plugins menu at the top navigation bar. Click that menu, and you'll see a list of plugins already installed and enabled within the application. This is your first clue, your gateway to the plugins. Now, let's dig deeper to where these plugin files are stored on your computer. Generally, plugin files are located in specific folders within the Adobe Applications installation directory. They'll often be in an Adobe folder, then the specific app folder, and then often a plugins folder. The exact location can vary depending on your operating system and where you installed the software. If you're installing a new plugin, most plugins offer seamless integration. Often, they are installed directly through the Creative Cloud desktop app. Navigate to the Marketplace tab, find the plugin you want, and click Install. You can get to plugin settings via the Creative Cloud desktop app. You can manage which plugins are installed and even toggle them for an application. Once installed, your new plugin is usually found in the installed plugins. Right inside the app, it will provide a series of new ways to create. That's it. Knowing where to find and manage your plugins empowers you to customize your Creative Cloud workflow and level up your designs. Now go create.